String rocks are a simple yet effective way to reduce the splash in the area surrounding your fountain. The rock sits in the bowl and the string hangs over the spill point. When unpacking, put some tension on the string to undo some of the bends from the packaging. You can adjust the length by simply moving the stone inside the bowl because you want the string to basically sit at the water level. Properly installed, you'll find that string rocks not only reduce splash, but will save water and result in less frequent fountain top-ups. When using the string rocks in a piped bowl, it's best to get the string wet before passing it through the pipe. You'll need to be a little more precise when adding these string rocks to a pipe bowl, but we believe that you'll find the results to be worth the effort. Smoother flow and water savings with this simple accessory.